I've found the key to excellent observability is recording a history of events that happened within your app. Each event should have a timestamp, an event name, and some attributes. What should be in those attributes? Well, there is one kind of attribute that I always gravitate towards including, and that's called a high cardinality attribute. What does that mean and why are they so important? High cardinality just means that they're unique. The reason that they're important is because they are identifiers. Because they're unique, they can uniquely describe an entity. So here are some examples of high cardinality attributes. A commit ID, high cardinality, uniquely defines one commit. A user ID, an invoice ID, a request ID. I'm sure you get the idea. Most of these things are unique identifiers for objects, entities, requests, whatever. And the reason why this is so critical for observability is because you can drill down from millions and millions of events to 30, 50, 100 in maybe 2 filtering steps. So a while back I had this exact case. We were trying to understand the behavior of a certain user on our website and the app was crashing for them and we couldn't figure out why. We queried the logs for their user ID, blam, there's everything that they've done on the site over the last 3 months. We then narrowed that down to the specific request that we were looking at, blam, there's an entire request lifecycle, the job that was enqueued. Oh, look, that job was enqueued. Let's look at what happened with that job. We query by the ID of the job, another high cardinality attribute, blam, you get all the history of what happened in that job. Within 4 or 5 minutes, we could understand exactly what that user had done on the site and why things were going wrong for them. So when you're logging these attributes, when you're tracing these attributes, when you're adding these attributes to spans, focus on ID attributes or high cardinality attributes, and it will save you a ton of time when you're trying to understand how the system worked later.